You don't have an income problem. You have a money behavior problem. And that's uncomfortable to hear, because it means the solution isn't out there. It's you. There are people making $40,000 a year quietly building wealth, and people making $150,000 who are completely broke. Same economy, same inflation, same system, different outcomes. So what's actually going on? Why does money seem to stick to some people and disappear from others? Most people believe this. If I just made more money, everything would be fine. But here's what actually happens. You get a raise. You feel relief for about 2 weeks. Then your life expands to match your income. Better apartment. Better car. More subscriptions. More, I deserve this. And suddenly, you're back where you started. Except now your lifestyle is more expensive to maintain. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's one of the most dangerous financial traps because it feels like progress. But it's not. It's just a more comfortable version of being stuck. Here's the truth most people never confront. You don't manage money based on logic. You manage it based on identity. If you see yourself as someone who deserves nice things, works hard so I should enjoy it, will figure it out later, then your money will follow that identity. Every purchase becomes justified. Every expense becomes emotional. And saving feels like punishment. But wealthy people operate differently. They don't ask, "What can I afford?" They ask, "What builds my future?" That one shift changes everything. It's not the big purchases that keep you broke. It's the small, repeated decisions. $15 here. $40 there. $120 subscription you forgot about. None of it feels significant. But combined, it creates financial gravity. The kind that pulls you backward no matter how hard you try to move forward. And the worst part? You don't feel it immediately. You feel it over months. Over years. In the form of no savings. Constant stress. Feeling behind. Wealth isn't lost all at once. It leaks out slowly. Quietly. Everything changes when you stop asking, "How do I manage my money?" and start asking, "How do I control my behavior?" Because money problems are rarely math problems. They're behavior problems. This is where financial audacity comes in. It's the willingness to do what most people won't. Say no when it's uncomfortable. Delay gratification when it's inconvenient. Choose long-term over short-term. This is the moment most people quit. Because discipline feels restrictive. Until you realize it creates freedom. Here's the system that actually works. Step 1. Control cash flow. Know exactly where your money is going. Step 2. Automate wealth. Invest before you spend, not after. Step 3. Cap lifestyle. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you spend more. Step 4. Increase income strategically, not randomly. Step 5. Eliminate financial noise. Fewer decisions equals better decisions. This isn't complicated. It's just uncommon. Because most people don't lack knowledge. They lack consistency. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. You don't need to earn more immediately. You need to use what you have differently. And most importantly, you need to stop lying to yourself about your habits. Because until you do that, nothing changes. But once you do, everything changes. Money stops controlling you, and you start controlling it. That's what financial audacity is about. Not perfection. Not extremes. Just intentional decisions repeated long enough to change your life. If this hit you, the next video is where things get real. Because I'm breaking down the psychological trap that keeps you from your first million. And once you understand that, you'll realize it was never about money. Today, I'm going to break down the exact behaviors that keep people stuck, even when they're earning more than enough to get ahead. And once you see this, you won't be able to unsee it. Please like, share and subscribe to help the channel grow.